This is very British. I'm Lewis Weston. It is almost Easter. If you're watching this when it comes out, we are just a few days away. So, I wanted to give you some time to bake something for Easter. And so today I have got a recipe for Easter egg nests. Before we get into that though, I am back here on YouTube. If you have been listening on the audio side of things, I might continue that. I'm not quite sure. I'll see how you feel. Please let me know with a comment down below. And if you are new here, you've just stumbled across the channel, then hello, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and please subscribe so you get brand new episodes every single Sunday. This should take under 30 minutes, so it's quick. It makes 12 little egg cake nest things. Your ingredients are 225 grams or 8 ounces of plain chocolate broken into pieces, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 20 grams or 2 ounces of butter, 75 grams or 3 ounces of cornflakes, and 36 mini chocolate eggs. So, now you've gathered all your ingredients, here is how you make it. Step 1, you have to line a 12-hole fairy cake tin with paper cases. Melt the chocolate, golden syrup, and butter in a bowl, set over a pan of gently simmering water. Don't let the base of the bowl touch the water, and just stir the mixture until it's nice and smooth. Take the bowl off the heat and gently stir the cornflakes until all of the cereal is coated in chocolate. Divide the mixture between the paper cases and press 3 of the chocolate eggs into the center of each nest. Then chill it in the fridge for an hour until it's completely set. And that's all you have to do, apart from get it out of the fridge and eat it, obviously. Please comment and let me know with suggestions on future episodes and how I can improve this. It's one of my only videos on this YouTube channel, but I've been doing this podcast a while, so there is more available right now on, well, wherever you get your podcast. It's also available on Spotify. So that's that. I'm going to be releasing new episodes on Sundays, and if you want it, I will be releasing the older episodes maybe sometime else, maybe midweek. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Please subscribe, and as I say, let me know what you think. And until Sunday, cheerio.